Okay, so I have a lot of car parts in my room right now. Today we're going to my dad's. I have to do an oil change, and I'm also going to test fit my Rotiforms. I'm going to test fit these so that I can measure for the spacer that I need for the proper fitment that I want. But Dylan and Trevor are going out with me to dad's. I need to take those, which are my old VSKFs, my work wheels, and I have to go to the UPS store and get a shipping quote for those because I have somebody in South Carolina that is interested in them. So I have to see what it would take to ship it down there. Yeah, I got some stuff to do today, but today is car day. This is 2 days after Stupid Cold 2019. I don't know when this video is going to come out though, but this is 2 days after Stupid Cold. But now I have to load these up in my car. My car is going to be absolutely jam-packed, but I gotta load this stuff up. I guess it makes it a little easier because I'm only test fitting one front and one back just so I can do one side of the car and get an idea, but I don't need to do all four. There's both of those. Oh my god, I almost dropped these coming out of the house. That would have been bad. Lug nuts, adapters for the VSKFs, VSKF faces, my broken door, parts coming to fix that, and then both a front and a rear rotiform. My car is completely packed, but I'm scared about what they're gonna tell me for the prices to ship these because this box, just 4 faces, was heavier than both of those fully built complete wheels. Like put together, like it was heavier than both of those put together. But no one really local wants to have them. So this guy from South Carolina said that he wants them and he told me to go get him a shipping quote. So let's hope for the best.
Not gonna be my car anymore.
You think you gained any followers from it?
No. I did. When I watched the girl, that idiot. Hey there.
Hey, thanks for helping me not scratch my door.
No problem, man.
Appreciate it. Friends.
You want to test fit the faces?
Just for fun. And I also added.
Woo! It's cold, boys. Alright. Rotiforms are here. Got the VSKF faces. I got a quote on them. Surprisingly, this box, guaranteed it's at least 60 pounds. But UPS store quoted me 60 bucks to send to South Carolina if the guy says that he wants them. If he doesn't, I'm this close to just keeping them and rebuilding them in the future. But I'd still like to get the money out of them. But now I'm going to do an oil change real quick just to get it over with, and then we're going to test fit the rotiforms.
I'm fucking vlogging too, bitch.
This is my car, bitch.
Hey, this is my content, bitch.
Your camera's not even on. I still don't really know when I'm going to post this video.
Oh, this is the first time you're trying to see the wheels.
Yeah, like really see them.
Yeah.
And I don't know.
Because it's been hinted, it's also been hinted at the VSKFs, in which they didn't know of either.
Yeah.
Because you were like, because that last Import Alliance in Atlanta.
I was like, hint, hint.
Hint.
Show us the
Coming
wheels.
soon. Show us your wheels. I fucking drop them. Dude, when I was coming out of the house earlier and I was loading everything in the garage or in the car, like I had to carry those out individually, but I could carry the VSKF box by itself, and I put it up on my shoulder and I was closing the door and it like started to tilt back and I was like, oh my god. Oh shit.
Yeah, I emailed that company, that, not emailed, but I messaged back that company asking about wheels, and, you on?
Yeah.
Holy shit, that was easy.
Yeah.
God damn!
Dude, that looks fucking sick. Like, just sitting right here.
Look at this. It'll have natural camber when it like...
Holy fucking shit, look at the back. Guys, come look at the back.
I mean, you're gonna have to jack it up to see the natural camber.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna get that wood block and Do it right now.
Well, they haven't seen these either.
Nope. This is my Christmas present from my mama. 326, yeah.
Flashback to the video where you introed like this at Dylan's house.
Coilovers! Coilovers! Yay!
Something like that. Yeah, no way. Oh, it's very, very close to your strut.
It is. But the
They don't move.
I'm also gonna have to get a spacer, and I'm also, I mean, the coilovers are gonna be skinnier than these.
True.
But I don't
Dude,
think.
for a second when I test fit those wheels on my car, and when I was putting them on, I thought it hit my fucking brake caliper. I was like, "Fuck."
I don't think it's hitting anything, is it?
No, it's not. But I was like, that's what I was worried about. As soon as I test fit, because I didn't know, because I literally traded up and then put them on like
when-
weeks later.
Okay, now hand me on top of the box. There's that center cap. Yeah, just the black.
God damn. Fuck, about to throw it. When you were putting the wheel on, it looked like it didn't go on all the way back, but I mean, it did.
It did.
on.
It's on.
Do you have to tighten that tight?
Huh?
That rotiform?
I do, but I'm literally just looking at it right now. It's not like I'm gonna be driving right now.
Yeah.
So.
I like your other idea that you had.
With the just the center cap,
Yeah.
just this piece. Yeah, but it's I can't find one that fits. So that's like an in the air kind of thing. And honestly, I thought about if it doesn't work. Me and Ronnie talked about taking a Dremel
Yeah.
and cutting the circle. So I mean, it'd still be the shape of the hexagon, but it wouldn't have this circle around it.
See, look at the natural camber that's gonna get.
You might just be perfect.
It looks really good.
Yeah, like it's like with stretch, it might be perfect with roll fender. If you're getting this roll into it, it's gonna bring it out. So you're like right here, right now. You roll it and bring it out to like right where the lip is. And if you're running a spacer, it's gonna be pretty damn close. Because if you look at it right now, with stock, no roll, nothing, you're right on the lip. Like straight down. This is like the widest point of the fender right here. Straight down, like this.
Still gonna go lower though. I think honestly, if I do have to run a spacer, it'll be something like a 5-wheel tailwheel.
You don't need much at all. If you look at it right here, you're right on where the lip is. If you look at it from right there, you're right on the lip.
But that's still not as low as it's gonna go.
No.
Here, but.
Right here,
Still really
wide.
fucking close.
It's like right lip wise.
Okay, this looks sick. Does it?
Yeah. Stand back there and look at it.
Are you videotaping right now? Yeah. You happy, Bob?
Yeah, these are like the first moments where I'm like seeing it come together. Oh, it's sick.
You see it from back here, it looks fucking sick. It looks fucking sick from back here.
Oh my god.
It looks fucking sick. Look at it from back there. Just imagining a tire on it.
Yeah. Oh, it's so awesome. I love the blue lug nuts. It's just a little thing, but it adds a lot.
She's like clanky.
I know
that's really loud right now, but hopefully you can still hear me. I'm so happy with this. Dude, this is so awesome. I honestly think that after, because the car is still going to be going lower, and of course like the coilovers and stuff aren't on, it's not with the tire. I think it's going to need about a 10 mil spacer, which isn't bad, but that's what I'm just thinking. Why, did he already see it? You don't want him to see that you're still in it?
Yeah. Cause then it's like I'm obligated to answer right then and there if he starts texting down. There's a nut, Trevor.
326 times.
Powerful.
How many times you have to rotate it to tighten it on there?
Yeah. They're gonna be damn tight. That's a lot of threads.
Okay, hand me the
Center cap.
Center cap should be on the VSKF box. Oh my god, thread. Thread, you bitch. Go on.
Could you get it on the camera?
Yeah, look at it.
Okay, this is how I'm gonna make my money. This is how I afford my new car. Do it, Dylan. This almost looks more aggressive in the back. Back part.
Okay, honestly, this video is probably gonna be short as fuck. One, because I don't know how I'm going to do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do the reveal, because honestly, from the bottom of my heart, this is probably one of the biggest things that I want to accomplish with myself right now. Like, I'm in school, and I'm going to school full time, and I have a full-time job. But I also, like, this is the main thing that I want to accomplish, that me, myself, and I want to do. And I want to reveal it. I don't want to just like piece it together and then like, there's the finished product. Like, I want to literally do all of the parts that I'm stockpiling right now, the seats, the steering wheel, all the interior pieces, the wheels, the coils, every little thing that I'm going to do to this car, and I'm going to reveal it and do it for a show. And I don't know how I want to plan on revealing it, but I also want to document all of the things that I need to do for that reveal. And today I needed to test fit just to see how much of a spacer I'm going to need, because they aren't my perfect specs. But yeah, I don't know how I'm going to reveal it, but I still wanted to document the process. And today I found out I'm probably going to need about a 5 to 10 mil spacer, just a little bitty one, but enough to poke the lip out a little bit more. So when I get the tires, which are ordered, and the suspension, which is ordered, I can get everything like dialed in. But I'm probably gonna have to do about a 5 to 10 mil spacer. I just don't know how this video is gonna play out. I don't really know, but I videotaped it, and even if I use this as like a 10-second clip in the end when I make like a documentary of the process of my car, if I do want to do that, I might not. I might do like a freaking 20-part video series. But I kind of like the idea of doing like a documentary now that I think about it. But yeah, that's the whole process. And I don't know where this video is going to fall. I don't know when this is going to be released. This is 2 days after Stupid Cold in 2019. So it is January 21st, 2019 at 4:30. And Dylan and Trevor just left. I thank them for coming over and being a part of that. But yeah, the wheels fit great, and I'm super fucking excited to get them on. But yeah, I don't know if this video is gonna come first or last or in the middle somewhere. I don't fucking know. But thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below what you think of the wheels. I love them. Personally, they are my favorite wheels. If you gave me $1 million right now and you said, Austin, you can do whatever the fuck you want to with your car, I would go and I would get those Rotiforms. So I'm beyond blessed to actually be able to put those on my car at the age that I am. I mean, there's some people that are my age that have like wide body, freaking bagged, built motor cars, and I don't, but I don't know. Me being able to do this by myself, I'm proud of it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, see the finished product if it isn't released already. I thank you. Hope you like it.